Hey everyone, Venessa here. Welcome back to Sparking Connections. Today, we're at the Vaughan Distribution Centre on grand opening day. As a people-led, tech-powered organisation, the Vaughn ADC is a perfect example of the power of automation and technology being harmonised with the judgment, care and pride of our associates. So it's a fantastic opportunity to give you a peek behind the scenes and understand how those two things are working to serve our customers even better. And it's an absolute privilege that I'm joined today by Alice Lowe and Lillo Puma. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's great to have you here. Today is our official grand opening of the Vaughn ADC, and I thought we should probably start with what is an ADC and what can people expect to find within this facility?
It's a great question, a great place to start. Our Ambient Distribution Center, our ADC, is where we store and ship all of our shelf-stable products for our stores. Think of items that don't belong in the refrigerator, things in your pantry or paper products, even some health and wellness products. This building is full of technology. It has high bay, high density pallet storage, shuttle movements. We've got automated guided vehicles that take fully built pallets and deliver them to the lanes, ready to be put into the trucks and shipped to our stores. And it's our associates that handle all the processes and all the systems. But what's really special about this building is how the people and technology come together. The people are able to work smarter and safer. The stores are able to get more consistent and more accurate deliveries. And our stores feel better availability and overall better in stock. And we're really excited about all those things.
Alice, you've seen the ADC grow from an idea to what it is today. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about the journey and what it's taken to get here and what we've learned along the way.
Yes, Vanessa, it's been an incredible journey. When we first started talking about building a fully automated ambient distribution center more than 5 years ago, it was a very exciting project. But to see it now, sitting here with you guys, seeing it fully operational and really transforming the way we work, I think this is truly amazing. And for our associates and our project team as well, to see that first store-friendly pallet being loaded onto the outbound trailer, that was a very special proud moment for us. But I also want to emphasize on the teamwork. This didn't happen in a silo. It took a village, literally. We had people from every corner of the organization coming to the table and getting involved as part of this project. And everybody had unique experience and expertise and perspective to bring to the table.
Let's talk a little bit about the combination of people-led, tech-powered. Talk about maybe a day in the life of somebody who's working in a facility that is automated, such as the Vaughn ADC. What are our associates doing versus what is the automation and robotics doing for us?
Yeah, for sure, Vanessa. When we talk about people-led, tech-powered, that truly captures the heart of how we operate here. Automation brings the speed, consistency, and efficiency. But at the end of the day, it's our associates who run the operations. At our ergonomically friendly workstations where associates follow system-guided instructions, they also provide very valuable insights and feedback to allow us to improve on our workflows. It's a true partnership. Automation does the heavy lifting, and our associates brings the care, oversight, and problem-solving to the equation. And as we shift away from repetitive, physically demanding jobs, we're also creating opportunities for our associates for upskilling and growth.
So I can imagine a world where when new technology is placed in a building or new technology is given to us as associates, there may be some nerves or some trepidation around what does this mean for me? What does this mean for my job? How have we made sure our associates have been set up for success and supported through the automation of this facility?
Our training programs have been paramount to the success of this startup here at the ADC. Our associates are both training while doing. The systems allow them to interact and exchange, working through their processes and their tasks, and therefore they're allowed to continuously learn while they're on the job. But that's supported with some incredible training and development materials, which allow them to feel empowered and constantly in front of the processes and the technology, which is exactly what you want an associate to be. And they're letting us know how excited they are about that.
All right. Can you share some of the ways this facility is helping our associates serve our customers even better?
I think the number one thing for the customer is store-friendly pallets. So what we mean by that is the automation is able to pick the goods in a specific sequence that's allowing that consistent flow of goods through our automation each and every day, arriving at our store and making their way right to the aisle where that product belongs. And so less touches, less complexity in our end-to-end supply chain. That's going to make our customers see fuller shelves and more consistent flow and better access to the products that they know and want and love here at Walmart that they come to purchase from us.
Fantastic. So it's really an end-to-end solution, right? And the name of this series is Sparking Connections. So we're sparking connections between this building and the technology that's within it, the technology and the associates using it, and then also this building and its associates with our stores and facilities who are connecting with our customers. So that's pretty magical, I think.
It truly is. That's what we're most excited about in this building, and watching that come to life and seeing how it plays out in all aspects of our business has been one of the most rewarding things. And our associates are letting us know they love being part of the solution. They love being part of the technology, understanding the whys behind how they works. Makes them feel better empowered, Venessa. It makes them feel better connected to the technology. And when they're connected and empowered, there isn't anything that can stop them. And we're so excited to be part of this journey with them.
I love being part of an unstoppable team too. So you heard it here first. Hey, thanks for joining me today for Sparking Connections. Team, very excited that we're going live with our Vaughn ADC here today. Congratulations to Ken and the team who have brought it all together. And we look forward to bringing you more topics, more questions, and more ideas through our next Sparking Connections episode. Thanks for tuning in.